Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. In this video, I want to show you my honest review, and I hope I will be able to highlight all the pros and cons of this product. So let's begin.
Hi, my name is Shanda Sumter, and I want to welcome you to this video. I am going to talk about tested and proven formula for making money online the conscious way. You're about to discover why some women are making crazy money online while others are making mainstream mistakes that are costing them way too much money and peace of mind. Why your website isn't creating the success that you want. So here's some reasons. You don't have a big list of buying clients, which is really important. It's the #1 biggest reason why you're going to make money online. 2, you're stuck on the technology piece. The technology is your sticking point, but here's really the big one. You're confused on what to do first, and you need a step-by-step plan to follow. I'm about to share with you critical online steps that many other thought leaders would seriously have you take 3 different programs to learn this one simple and easy to follow formula. So stay with me here because I want to show you something that's going to blow your mind. To put it another way, what you're doing today is why new clients can't find you and you are a best kept secret online. It's also why you're confused and need clarity to move full speed ahead. It's also why you're not making money consistently and how come you're still looking for that golden method that converts online lookers into paying customers. I want to introduce to you my all-inclusive Making Money Online the Conscious Way formula. Making Money Online the Conscious Way formula builds a business around your purpose, which is so important. This is so much of a big reason why people burn out and lose energy or get exhausted or tired or frustrated with their jobs. They're off purpose. This program will show you how to design your website for under $200. Inexpensive technology help that has you never again get bogged down with the technology issues or the things that you're not good at. How to find your ideal client. Those are people who are looking for you. You have a tribe out in the world that thinks like you, that wants to operate like you, and those are called your ideal client, and we want to find them. Step-by-step plan for making money online so you can stop guessing and you can actually follow a step-by-step formula. It's easy, thousands of people have done it, and you can too. You're also going to find out how to find free marketing. If you just put up a website and you don't understand how to market it, you will not be successful. And so there's a lot of areas for free marketing out online that you can tap into to bring tons of traffic to your website. So I'm going to show you how to find that free traffic. Increasing membership sales and loyalty. So if you have a membership site right now and you're wondering why is nobody coming to it or why am I having a really hard time building this site, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to increase membership sales and loyalty so they don't drop off. Blogging secrets. This is a huge one. Have you ever set up a blog and nobody comes to it and nobody's making comments on it? They're really simple secrets that so many people just don't share out there in the world that's going to transform your connectivity with your clients on your blogs. Network with other conscious business owners. I have set up a very private, exclusive group for people taking the Making Money Online the Conscious Way program so that as you guys now are like-minded, you can help each other grow, not to mention I'm in there, my staff is in there, helping serve your needs outside of just the things that you've learned in this program. My personal $8,000 a month formula. This isn't just some, thing that I've just thrown together. This is a formula that makes $8,000 a month. If you follow it, then you too have the ability to make $8,000 a month. But if you do not follow it, then I cannot promise that you'll be successful. So what am I asking you for? Give me 1 day and 4 hours. How many years have you spent on not, getting the results that you want? How many hours and hours of books and how much money have you spent going to seminars to only get a piece of the pie. It's like they give you a little bit of the information, maybe one or two nuggets that do make a difference, but you need the whole package to be able to market, blog, create products, to be able to have a successful online business that retires you. So what I want you to do is click the big orange button below if you're absolutely clear that you know without a doubt that you need this Making Money Online, the Conscious Way program, and you're ready to get started now. Here's what happened when we tested this program live. It was really awesome, so fulfilling. I spent an entire day with these ladies working on their businesses, and we recorded the entire thing. This is so awesome. So I asked them what was your biggest takeaway in the program. And so here's what some of the ladies said. Shanda, my biggest takeaway, thank you for the significance and important, thank you for the significant and important how-to help in defining the expanding my business and increasing my clients and the number of people I can reach overall. I didn't want to reinvent the wheel. You confirmed this feeling of giving up the individual struggle and getting help where it's needed. I was pleasantly surprised by the nature of the businesses represented and the business persons who participated in this program. Very compassionate and innovating bunch, Leslie. Thank you, Leslie, if you're watching this. Shanda, you literally walked us through the steps to begin making money online, blogging, building my list, free gift concepts, and how to drive everything back to my free gift. Thank you, Karen. How I know how to correct my current website, the freedom inside of me that popped when Shanda was explaining to me what to do brought tears of relief to my eyes. Literally, a prayer was answered. I am such a state of gratitude. Blessings, Tammy. This really hit my heart because I know what it was like, and maybe you're at that place where you just really need all the steps to be able to finally make money in your business, and you're either tired of working a job for money, which is it's just such a crappy place to be, and you just would like somebody to just give you the steps because then you'll follow them and you want to be successful. So you don't want to be sold anymore. You just really want the steps so you can get active and get moving in your business. So, I could feel her tears in her eyes when that tears of relief. So it's just such an awesome program. Here's another person who wrote in, the biggest thing, there were so many. The understanding emotional needs of clients versus telling your clients how to takes the pressure off generating content. The $8,000 a month blueprint helped for sure. The techie advice, this one always scared me. The way to create multiple income streams in your sleep, also all your slow boat to China stuff so we can get on our yachts, lots of laughs. Thank you, girl, for the generous spirit, EXO Rebecca. So here's my guarantee to you. I'll stand behind my word, 100% money back guarantee. Here's my promise to you. Join our, it's not live event now, it's actually recorded for you. Listen to the content, listen to the MP3s. If for some reason you don't receive all that you need to become clear, build a vibrant and conscious business, we'll make it right by giving you 100% of your money back, no questions asked. There's nothing to lose whatsoever. So I really mean this. I will give you every penny you get back. This is totally a full package program for you to get started now. So go ahead and click the big orange button below and let's get started. Warning. If you keep doing the same things you've always done, then the question becomes, how will tomorrow be any different than today? Go ahead and click the big orange button below and let's get started. Let's get starting to work together. I know that you can really transform your life with this program.
Cool, right? Click the link in the description for my price discounted special.